And we're back again. Yo, got some good news, y'all. You are now able to support this channel. Yo, just all you gotta do, look by the like button and find that thanks button, hit it, and yo, it's whatever you feel like donating, go ahead, support the channel, help us grow. You know what I mean? Thank you very much for my supporters. Yo, this video right here, it looked kind of interesting. That's why I say, you know what, I'm gonna go deep into it right now. I'm watching it live with y'all right now. Let's get into it. Peace.
Are you ready? But you can't ask me to step out the car. I am requesting for your supervisor because my boyfriend is a sergeant for OPD.
You know Golden?
Yeah, that's my guy.
That's his girlfriend.
On July 26th, 2025, officers noticed a vehicle with expired tags. When officers looked closer, they found a fellow officer's girlfriend.
Hello. Are you the registered owner?
Yeah.
Their tag expired.
Yeah, for my birthday?
Yeah. Your birthday?
What it ain't?
Yesterday?
Yeah, it was just midnight. Just midnight.
I know. Yeah. It's okay.
Okay. This lady heard.
Yeah. And do you have a medical marijuana card on you guys? No? Because I can smell it.
Oh, damn.
Wait, unless you're smoking in here.
No.
We haven't smoked in here. We smoked one yesterday.
I mean, I can smell it. Can you turn the car?
Yeah.
I'll box you off for 445.
You want my registration?
Please.
Ladies and gentlemen, we know what not to do. Why do we still do it? She got an officer for a boyfriend.
You have your, that's fine. Do you have your driver's license?
Yeah.
Any weapons in the car?
No.
Robert seems to be 3 blocks east and west from the tree. Walking the road, both sides.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna have first.
Sure.
Hello viewers, we would be most grateful if you would be so kind as to subscribe to our Logic on Steroids channel. Stop pretending that your derriere don't stink.
That's fine, we'll just sit tight. I'm just gonna wait for another officer here, come.
Okay.
She taking her sweet, precious time.
That's fine. If you guys can just put everything to the side.
Yeah.
Right. Just
She
keep
in
your
no
hands
rush.
on the steering wheel. Ma'am, if you could put your hands on the dash.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, you know what? I think it's right here.
That's fine. Just put everything down. Put your hands on the steering wheel.
Okay.
Ma'am, put your hands on the dash. Put everything down.
She just ain't listening.
And do your seatbelt. There's 2.
But why am I asking to be stepped out of the car? Yeah, I need to. Can you tell me why I'm being stepped out of the car?
The weed.
Now, right there, with that little attitude, shows you that she wasn't listening purposely.
Yeah, but you can't ask me to step out the car.
Step
You don't
out the
have
car,
to.
okay,
Yeah, I can step out the car. Wait.
Get out of the car.
Wait.
Don't grab her.
Wait, what are you doing? Why do you gotta pull me out the car? Can you?
Now you're refusing to
I didn't refuse to get out the car. No, I didn't. No, I did not refuse to get out the car. You guys, I just asked, why couldn't you ask me to step out of the car?
Stay in the car. You don't make demands. Stay in the car.
I'm not making demands, but I still have.
I mean, damn. They can't get you to get out the car. Now they can't get you to stay in the car. One want to get out, one want to stay in.
Have the right.
Put your hand on the dash, do it now.
Go live.
Go
Record. Hurry up and record. Because
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
I'm trying
and I
to
want
put
your
your hand-
supervisor. Right now, I am requesting for your supervisor because my boyfriend is a sergeant for OPD.
Stop messing around.
I'm not messing around. And for you two guys to be this violent is outrageous.
You are not listening to any.
How am I not?
And the crazy thing is, she said her boyfriend is a supervisor, sheriff for the OPD or something like that. And her behavior won't get him terminated. You get what I'm saying? If it was the other way around.
Listening, I am compliant with my hands behind my back and you're grabbing me by my neck.
I'm not grabbing you by
Yes,
no one
you
is grabbing-
were.
no
You
one is
were
grabbing
putting
you
your
by
forearm in my neck, and I am a woman.
Okay.
Sir, don't put your hands in my face because that is a derogatory, and your camera is not on.
It's recording.
No, it's not.
20 things she finds wrong.
I don't see the light on it.
Doesn't have to have the light
I would
on.
like for your supervisor. It does have
When
to be
I tell
on,
you
and
get
I
out of
don't.
the
Well, what is
car,
the indication
you
that
get out
your
of the
body
car.
camera? Sir, you
either
didn't
sitting
ask me
right
to get
here.
out the car.
I said, put your
No, you
hands
did
there.
not.
I
You
said,
you
put your
opened my door. You opened my door.
You're gonna sit in the back of my car.
No, you opened my door. You did not ask me, and I would like to speak to a supervisor, sir, because they're treating me like outrageous.
That's not the way you think it is.
No, yes it is, and I did not break any rules.
This is the piece that sheriff has to go home to. If they stay together. That's crazy.
Missy, can you just stand by my car? Just make sure she's appreciate it. Bro, for a little bit of weed.
That's it. What else you doing? As long as she doesn't go to jail.
Yeah, I already got it. Appreciate it.
Did she tell you what it was?
No, because she threw it in here. There's a whole bag in here, bro.
What in here?
Look, you see it?
What in here?
I guess he
I
seen what
don't
she
have the
did it.
second one.
When she did it.
Oh, this is for weed, bro. No, whatever's in here is...
Just shred it open. You can tell he don't drink no soda.
I know, you're
Just
right.
twist it, man. Jeez, you need a scissor? Just twist it.
I could get me one of those. I know. Oh, like the one in the car? Gold. Nothing on it. Literally a blunt right here, bro.
Gotcha, bitch.
A little bit of weed.
Uh-oh.
Crazy. I'm gonna talk to her real quick. I don't understand why you just can't follow some directions. I told you numerous times to put your hands there, drop everything.
Drop what?
Drop the paperwork you had in hand. I said, just leave it there, put it to the side, drop it. Just put your hands on the steering wheel. You're not listening to directions. I said, just stay there, because I'm taking you out of the car. And then you will ask why I took you out, why I'm taking you out. I had already told you, okay, because of the weed, okay? You understand? The weed gives us probable cause to search the vehicle. You understand that, right? You don't have a medical marijuana card. There are roaches all over the car. It smells
Whoa.
like weed. I don't understand why you feel the
Them ghetto roaches.
need to make things a lot more difficult.
Would surprise
than it is.
me.
And then on top of that, when I'm taking you out of the car, I'm trying to put you in handcuffs, but you keep contorting your body and twisting your body. Yes.
No, I was not, sir.
I'm trying to put you in handcuffs. You're yelling at your friend,
I don't agree.
saying, staying in the car. You're contorting your
No,
arms, so I
was
cannot
not
put you in.
talking to her. I was talking to you guys.
No,
the
you were
whole time.
yelling at her. Stay in the
No,
car. Record,
I was
record.
Not. I was not
It's
talking to her.
Do you have short-term memory loss?
No, I do not.
Because I'm
very
telling you, that's-
competent and aware
Well,
of
clearly-
exactly what happened, sir. I am 100% aware of what happened.
So then why do you feel the need to make
And
things
sir,
more difficult?
You are not. I did not make anything difficult. You are distorted of your recollection of what happened.
Everything's on body cam. So
That's okay. I would like for you to replay it.
She gaslighted him.
it's on.
I would like for you to replay
I'm not going to replay it for you in front of you.
That will prove that what you are saying is incorrect.
Okay, you're completely wrong.
No,
so
that will prove. If you could replay it, that will prove everything that you're saying is incorrect.
I'm telling you what
That's
happened.
okay. That's okay.
Okay.
I do not agree with you whatsoever.
You don't have to agree because you're wrong.
No,
but I'm
not
telling
wrong.
you, I have every reason to take you to jail right now. Every reason. And all for what? A roach? Because you couldn't follow fucking directions? For a roach?
Where did I comply with you? I did not comply with you whatsoever at all. You guys forcefully took me out of the car and never once asked me to step out of the car.
I said, put your hands there.
I said, okay. I put the paper back.
Teach me something. Gemini, is that a word? Incomply.
I put the paper back in the door holder, and I
said, what did I say?
Put my hands on the wheel.
And then I grabbed you.
You said, that's okay.
And I said, stay there.
Okay. I stayed there.
Well, there you have it.
Exactly. I did exactly what you told me to do. Stay there. You and your partner put both of your hands on me.
Because I'm taking you out of the car.
You can also ask me to take me out of the car. No, you don't. Yes, this is a free world.
Okay.
It is against the law for you to forcefully.
All right, we're gonna go to jail for resisting without me.
Her mouth got her sent to jail. Yo, they can't help it. She gotta run her mouth. Yo, it's a time where you gotta shut that shit off.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, I would.
Landed you in jail, and you ain't had to go to jail. And now they might have to tow your damn car away because you had damn weed in it.
The other one's just fine.
She's clearly not getting
100%?
Huh?
100%?
Yeah, I already ran her, so
What about
the car, this is cousin. I'm gonna talk to cousin.
Oh, you heard him.
Yeah, let me.
Yo, make better decisions, man. Turn off your dumbass emotions. Stop getting so emotional when somebody's. Realize when somebody's trying to give you a chance, a second chance at that.
Hold on. Cut loose. It's Miss Reeves. You know Reeves?
Well, no, that's just
That's her friend. Okay,
Yeah.
so she's gonna take a ride. Basically, it was a traffic stop because the tag expired. So basically, they smelled weed in the car. So we had probable cause of search. Driver wanted to be difficult and not compliant. Your cousin was teetering, or I'm sorry, your niece was teetering in the same boat, but she was a lot
more common.
a lot more compliant than the other one. Okay.
Okay.
So, okay, I thought that was your cousin of the driver because I was gonna.
I'm black, you know. Black
No, because I don't know if
that's my niece.
your niece.
My nephews. You know.
Yeah, I got you. Okay, alrighty.
Is she gonna be cut loose though?
She's gonna be cut loose.
Okay.
She lives here.
Yeah, she lives
Okay.
here. I'm about to go back in the house.
All right. I just didn't know if you knew the driver, because then we'll tow the car instead.
Oh no, sorry. Don't tow her car. Can I just park it? I got like.
Well, if she doesn't, does she know you? She probably doesn't know you.
Yeah.
Desiree?
Yeah. Ask if it's okay.
I'll ask.
She just saved her. Of course you're gonna say, yeah, you can. Already you have it in a damn tow truck or tow company.
Yes, sir.
Would you like her to park your vehicle? If it stays here, it's gonna get towed.
Is Lexi's not?
Lexi's gonna get cut loose. So.
Is she not?
Is it okay if you want to give it to Lexi instead?
Yeah, like can she not drop?
She can. I just gotta ask you because it's your car. So I don't want to.
Yeah, but can I also talk to the supervisor because I'm like really confused by what's going on because before you told me that I was being taken to jail for resisting without, it was like you were in the understanding of.
No, I've already
wrong,
explained.
but
Okay, she's speaking more calm, but she's still combative. You get what I'm saying? Like the man told you what it was already. You still trying to debate that.
I'm agreeing with you. I understand what you're saying. I'm not saying I don't understand what you're saying. But
No, you're not, because you want to speak to the supervisor, whoever, and then you want to go against what he's already conducting.
Well, you only said that after I'd already told you.
No, sir.
Because you were being defiant.
No,
so,
sir.
sit tight.
Yep.
So is it okay as it goes with Lexi then?
Yes, but can I also have a chance to finish saying what I'm saying?
Go ahead. You can get her out.
I told you that I understand what you were saying and everything that you explained to me. But I also thought that you were giving me the opportunity to tell you my point of view.
I heard your point of view. You already said your point of view.
No, but I would have never even, I would have just said I understood you and I understand what you're saying and the point that you're telling me. I wouldn't have even explained to you what I thought that my point of view was of what was happening.
Okay.
So I think that is what kind of upset you because it's...
I don't take anything personal. I'm letting you know how things are because of how they transpire. But then your attitude is what helps you solidify whether or not I let you go or don't let you go.
There you go. I told you, it matters. Your attitude matters. Turn it off at a moment like this. Just to help yourself. Most of y'all, it's like kryptonite. Turn it off. It's like if you turn it off, your heart might stop beating or something.
So it was your attitude the entire time. It was the fact that I've already explained everything to you. Okay? I told you how things are. I told you how it went. Whether you have short-term memory or didn't believe it happened that way, I'm telling you how it happened. Everything is on Bodycam. I'm not making this shit up. I don't do that. So that's the reason why you're taking a ride.
Right, but
well,
that's why I'm saying, I also thought that you were giving me a chance to talk about what was going on. That's why I was,
no.
Yes, you were explaining.
I was explaining and then you tried to argue with me, but we're done with that.
Sir,
we're done with it. Lexi, she said that she's okay. She's taking a ride. She said that she's okay with you driving her car.
She does. She can drive it to the parking spot right here because I live in this complex right here.
You live right here?
I live in this complex. She was about to drop me off at home.
She doesn't have a driver's license, so is it okay if the cousin parks it in here for you?
Yeah. Can
Okay.
I also request to speak to a supervisor?
No.
And for you to, sir, I'm allowed to speak to a supervisor. And can you reach out to my boyfriend, Tyshawn Bolden?
Tyshawn who?
Bolden.
Tyshawn
Officer
Bolden?
yes.
Does he work for us?
Yes.
Okay.
Tyshawn.
So he works for us, and then you made things even more difficult.
Wow.
Sir, I promise you I wasn't making anything
Okay.
difficult.
Crazy.
I'm sorry that you...
Come on, man.
She's okay with her driving.
Alright, cool.
She's using my boyfriend's sheriff card.
Bolden?
Yeah, that's my guy.
That's a very rare card to have. That's like finding that what's it, Pokemon? What's that little card y'all be looking for?
That's his girlfriend.
Collecting. She got a collectible item.
Can you let him know? I'll let him know. Oh, I don't have his number. Send me his number.
She was eventually booked for resisting arrest and cited for the expired tags. Surprisingly, the court records only show the expired tag citation indicating the resisting charge wasn't even formally filed. The citation itself was also dismissed. Do you think the boyfriend cop got involved? Share your thoughts below.
Hell yeah, he got involved. She gets a pass, man. Come on, what you think? Yo, anyway, man. Yo, write down in the comments. Let me know if y'all think the sheriff boyfriend was involved in her not getting damn near, not facing any consequences. You know what I'm saying? Well, anyways, go ahead and subscribe to Logic on Steroids. Like this video, share this video, and check this out.
Now you can show support for the Logic on Steroids channel. Just click on our video, then search for the thanks button icon located right along the like and share buttons beneath the video. Hit thanks and support us with whatever you feel can help us elevate to a new level. We appreciate your support and thanks.
Peace. Thanks.